Mackenzie, come here. I can't
What's
see.
our last letter?
Come here,
What's
sweetie.
the Y?
Sit with your mom.
Where would that go?
Worldy dimes.
Nope.
Maybe that's not the first word.
Well, no, it's going good. Maybe the world is the second word.
Change the S and N around.
Dysentery?
Dysentery's bad.
What other letter do you have in your hand?
That would be a terrible
That's gotta fit
Christmas
somewhere in
present.
there.
Nope.
Nope.
I think that word up top works. So can you figure out the word on the
I
bottom?
can't see Pat.
Disney.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, good.
I liked where you were headed with the other one.
What if that's the beginning?
D.
No, we need a vowel here.
A vowel. Pick a vowel.
I or E.
World destiny. Oh,
Yes.
that didn't work.
Disney.
Does.
Democracy.
What if world? Well, I think we're getting closer.
World
Does.
democracy.
No.
Okay,
Not
does.
enough letters.
You guys are
What?
crawling
Sound
through
that
the
out,
window.
Aiden.
Sound it out.
Disney.
Disney?
What does that sound Maybe. like?
Disney.
And what's the
How does
other
that
word?
Disney. World Disney World.
What?
What does that mean?
Look,
What does that
switch
mean?
these around.
Disney World!
So if it says Disney World, what does that mean?
Disney World.
Is it one big word?
Is that a
Can't be, or
word?
two?
That
Yes.
uses everything?
Yes.
It uses everything.
Disney World!
What is that?
We
Disney World!
wish you a
We
Merry
wish you a Merry
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We
wish you a Merry